Okay, everybody, this is Uncle P from Super Easy Forex, and I wanted to show you 3 quick, simple, easy trades that you could have taken advantage of last night. And today, you can see, the date is 11/30, November 30th, 2020. So if you're watching this video today or tomorrow or next year, you can easily go back to your own charts, take off any indicators you have, and just watch the candlestick pattern to see if this is actually valid or make-believe. Okay, all right, let's get to it. So these are 3 simple trades that I have taken using our trading system along with our trading rules. Please, if you sign up, which I know you will, please watch the video tutorials that goes along with our trading program. They're very simple video steps, short videos, but it'll help you understand how and when we use the system to profit. Okay, so this is one of the pairs that a lot of people don't trade a lot, but it pays out pretty well when you're patient and wait for it to play out the way you need it to. So this is the US dollar versus the Mexican peso, and as you can see, it went sideways since last week, but that's okay. You wait patiently, and as you can see, it popped right into profit. Here's another play, and I'm going to show you a third one after this one. Look at this. This is the AUD, USD. Okay, a lot of people got their lunch eaten on it who didn't have our trading system, but for those who have it, you can see a very clean entry at the point right here, and the system has built-in alerts, so you can use that, or you can buy our dashboard scanner, which can scan up to 40 different pairs. And when it sends the alert, you can go and check and see. There you go. See, speaking of the dashboard scanner, look, it just popped on the screen because it's letting me know there's maybe some opportunities. And so therefore, this is what it looks like right here. And it's telling me there's a buy opportunity on gold. But I'm going to do a separate video on this scanner itself. Today, I'm just talking about the trades and how they worked out using our trading system. All right, so anyway, that's exactly my point. So when the scanner sends you an alert, or if you just buy the Simplicity system and you only want to have a few pairs to monitor at the bottom, then you just use the Simplicity Systems alerts. Either way it goes, when the alert hits your phone, look at there, just beautiful. And it just dropped right into profit. And let me show you one more. And that's this one here. It's doing a pullback for us. It literally almost touched and hit our TP. Now it's doing a pullback, which is fine. It does the pullbacks and then it turns back around and drop. But as you can see, this one started dropping, drifting right into our area. Just a few pips from my target. If I was woke, I would have said, and I sent this out to the Signals group as well. If I was woke, I would have said, hey, it's 1 pip away. Go ahead and close it out. But that's okay. We just wait patiently. It does its little pullbacks and shake and bake moves, and then it typically will fall right into profit. We just have to be patient and wait. Okay. So anyway, these are 3 simple trades that you could have taken if you would have had our trading system. And let me check this one here. I didn't take it, but well, yep, it's setting up beautifully. Look at there, you guys, right there in your face, right there in your face. Okay. Right there in your face. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a sell trade on this one too. Okay, one of the things I do is I do a little step just to verify, okay, following my own rules, okay, and I'll go ahead and take this trade, okay, and there we are. I'm in the trade. I'll place my stop loss. And actually, since this one may run for a little while, I may avoid putting a take profit on it for now. Just see how far it can go. But if not, I'll maybe after this video add one more position so I can hit my 1-to-1 target. And after I hit my 1-to-1 target, then, and that'll be 38 pips. So actually, let me do this just to show you guys how we actually do it. So I do this one here, it's about 38 pips right there. So I'm set for my 1-to-1. Then after that, I'll add another position after this video, and and I call it the runner, just in case I decide, hey, this thing may run more than 1-to-1. At least my first 1-to-1 is hit, and then the next position, you can let it run like this one did. It went on a massive run. You can see that from the 4-hour time frame. It just went on a massive run. Sometimes we don't know when it's going to do that. So you do want to get some one-to-one money out of there. And that was 400 pip move right there. This one right here. And I'm just measuring the ones from the 4 hour. So you can see how far these things can run. 234 pips on that one. Then on this one here, before the pullback, that was 166 pips. So that's why you have one position on, get your one-to-one out the way. Second position could be a runner, where it's a smaller position that you place, but at the same time, it's the one that will bring you into nice profit as it's going along. But you'll learn that as you go along. So make sure, come and join us in the Super Easy Forex family. And actually, it was 3 trades. Now it's 4, because you just seen me take a 4th trade. Okay. All right, you guys. Live proof that this system is a wonderful tool to have in your arsenal to make you some beautiful pipperoos. Okay. All right. I'll see you in class when you join.